Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by undoing the most recent change using Ctrl+Z on Windows/Linux or CMD+Z on Mac OS. That is the fastest path. Once done, make sure to check the Editor tab for unsaved red dot. VS Code keeps undo history in the session even if you haven't saved. If a multi-cursor edit occurred, undo will step back through each cursor change. Use the command palette when keys don't respond to Find Editor. Action: undo explicitly and confirm the focus is in the text editor. Once you've used basic undo, move into advanced techniques. Redo with Ctrl+Y or Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows and CMD+Shift+Z on Mac OS to reapply steps. For larger undo needs, use the timeline view or your repository's local Git history to revert specific commits or file versions. This helps when session undo isn't enough. Make sure to inspect multi-file edits and consider editor. Undo stack limits. If keystroke conflicts occur, open keyboard shortcuts and remap. To finish, save the file once you've returned to the desired state and then verify changes in source control. That makes the undo permanent. If undo appears lost, don't panic. Close and reopen the file only after saving or recover committed versions with git checkout or revert. Make sure to restart VS Code if the undo stack seems corrupted. This resets in memory state. Finally, if problems persist, check extensions that modify typing behavior and disable them one by one to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.